Good morning, my dear students. So, we are talking about singular and plural nouns. A noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called a singular noun. As I've already told you, one means single. We add s to most of the nouns. We add s to most of the nouns. Add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, x, and z to get their plural forms. Okay, I'm going to tell you example. For example, ostrich. Ostrich. See, in ostrich, ostrich, it ends in ch. So, when we have to make plural of ostrich, we'll put es. It's ostriches. Dish ends with sh, so we will put es, dishes. If we want to make plural of mango, we will put es, mangoes. Bus, buses. Princess, princes, it ends with double s. So after double s we will put es. Fox, foxes. Quiz, quizzes. Sometimes some words ending in o take only f in its plural form. Means if we want to just convert singular word ending with o, then when it becomes plural, in the end we put s. Piano, piano, it is ending with o, so in the end we will put s. pianos. Ox, oxen. The nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. Means if the word is ending with y, we'll put ies. We'll change y. If we want to make city plural, then in the end city there is y, so we will replace this y with ies. So city will become cities. Country, countries. But there are exceptions always, children. In case of monkey, monkey, we are not going to write ies. We'll write only monkeys. Monkies is wrong. So, the plural of monkey is monkeys. The nouns that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural form simply by addition of s. Example, you know how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So, K, E, Y, key. So, K, E, Y. So, it is ending in key, E. So, there is a sound, vowel sound E. So, in this, the vowel sound, the key is ending with a vowel sound E. So, we'll put S, keys. To form the plural of a noun that ends in F or FE, we replace the F or FE with VES. Example, leaf. If we want to make the plural of leaf, it will become leaves. We will replace this F, we'll replace this F with VES. A few words do not follow the rules, Some are very stubborn words. Like in chef, CHEF. So, this F will not change into VES. It will become chefs. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. Like, some have the same form. Sheep will not become sheeps. It will be sheep only. Hair only. Children, mind one thing. You should never say, my hairs are black. You should say, my hair are black. Okay? It's hair. It's not hairs. Mind it. This is very important. Now, a deer. There is no deers, only deer. The plural of deer is also deer. Bison. Nouns that do not form plurals in the usual way. Like they don't form any plural. These nouns, we call them irregular nouns. Sheep remains the sheep. Hare, no plural, it's hare only. Hare plural is hare. Deer plural is deer. Bison, bison. A few singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel. See, some words, their middle number is their middle alphabet is changed when we convert them into plural. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. One tooth, many teeth. One man, many. It's men. Got it? Thank you.